Hello, welcome to my Let's Play of TIS-100. I've already started a couple of games and I decided to maybe I should record my explanation and my my thought process on how I go about solving these problems. So here I have the manual open, and I will refer to that when I need to explain something. I mean, it's useful to read all of this before you start. It gives you the instructions and the instruction set, and how some of the examples, for example here, it tells you how you would draw a pixel and all of that, but that's not needed yet from what I've seen from the first four. You can add breakpoints, which I haven't used actually yet, but I probably should eventually. And then, yeah, you have some examples. So the first one, I'll actually start from the beginning. So I'll create a new program, and I'll explain how you'd go about doing this. So this is a useful run through of how you would move the contents of in.x to out.x. So it actually solves the first part for us. So it gets 51 so it moves 51 down. So it moves down. Then it moves that 51 down, and then that 51 down. Then its output is in 51. And then it does that, pause, for all of the values. So now what we have to do is we would have to get in A to out A. So similar to this part, we want to move up, but we can't go down because there is a failure here. So we can't use this box. So instead of moving all the way down, we'll go left. So move up, left. And then from the right, we'll move it down. From up, we'll move it down. From up, we'll move it right. And then from left, we'll move it down. And then if we fast run it, we get a correct answer. And that's the solution to the first self-test diagnostic. So I'll continue this this playthrough and all of that in later episodes. So this is the first part. Thank you for watching.